If there are outstanding fees associated with your electronic plan submission, you will receive an email from the county that provides a link to allow you to pay your fees electronically. Simply follow the link in the email. Clicking the link in the email will bring you to the county's third-party electronic payment system. Simply complete the information requested by the form, and select Pay Now. You will have the option to pay either by credit or debit card or by personal or corporate check. In this example, we're going to select Payment by Check. Click the Make Payment button and then simply complete the form with the information requested. Once you have completed the form, click Continue. This will bring you to a page where you can confirm the payment information. Once you've confirmed that the information is correct, click on Confirm. You will receive a screen that indicates that your payment has been processed, and you should receive an email receipt based on the email that you entered into the payment screen.